Let's see how to export and import files in the Connections library in CYPE Connect. We can access the Connections library from the program's general interface. To do this, we click on the Library button in the Connections section in the top toolbar. This option is the same as the one that appears in the Connection Editing window. Just above the list of connections, we find features that allow us to save the information from the Connections library to the hard drive, so we can use it in other projects. First, we select any of the connections in the library and click on Export the element to a file. In the pop-up window, the program displays the work directory path where the connection files are saved, which we can modify by clicking on the Folder button on the right. Below, in Files, there is a list of the available connections in the project library. By activating the Export checkbox, we can export several connections simultaneously to different files. We can also consult the reference for each connection, as well as the file name that will be generated. If we wish to change the name, we simply click on the corresponding cell. On the right, a disk symbol appears if the element already has an associated file. If it is selected, its data will be replaced. By clicking on Accept, we complete the export of the selected connections to files on the hard drive. Now let's see how to import the information into a different job. Once inside the job, we reopen the Connections library by clicking on the corresponding button. Then, we click on Import the element saved in the drive to the project. In the pop-up window, we select the work directory where the files containing the information on the connections are located. Again, in Files, a list of available connection files appears. By activating the Import checkbox, we can import the connections of several files simultaneously. In each connection, we see the reference and the file name that it contains. On the right-hand side, a blank page symbol is displayed if the element already exists in the project's connection library. If it is selected, its data will be replaced. By clicking on Accept, we complete the import of the selected connections. The connections are now available in the project library. From here, we must use the options in the Edit window for each connection to import the connection information from the library. Finally, we reopen the Connection library to view two additional options. Using Update the elements of the project, if we have made any changes to the files on the hard drive, we can incorporate them into the project's Connection library. We can also carry out a file selection with initial values for the creation of a new job. This way, when creating a new project, the program automatically loads the connections saved in the selected files so that the library does not appear empty.